السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Managerial Accounting Chapter 1 Managerial Accounting today. Service Industries الخدمات، صناعة الخدمات أو نشاط الخدمات أو مجال الخدمات. Service Industries. Much of U.S. economy has shifted toward an emphasis on providing services rather than goods. And this is correct in the global, in each country. The emphasis on providing services rather than goods. As you see, over 50% of U.S. workers are now employed by service companies. As you know, I work in service company. Most techniques learned for manufacturing firms are applicable to service companies. What we learn for manufacturing companies are applicable for service companies. So the same techniques may apply in service companies as in manufacturing firms. In this slide, we know there is very important for considering service industries to apply managerial accounting techniques. Focus on value chain. Refers to business process associated with providing a product or service. Focus on value chain. Value chain, we mean all business process. Value chain refers to all business process associated with providing a product or service. We will take care with all business process needed to provide product or service. We must improve all the process in providing product or services. We must improve productivity and the quality in all the process to provide product or service. So we will take care with all process needed to produce a product or services. Now, for a manufacturing firm, this includes the following. In manufacturing firm, the value chain will contain these things. From the beginning, research and development and product design, R&D for the product design. The succeed companies spend a lot of their income for R&D, research and development. From the beginning, research and development. Second, acquisition of raw material. Next, production. Next, sales and marketing. Then delivery. Then customer relations and subsequent service. Very important. Customer relations and subsequent services. As you see here, unlimited warranty. Unlimited warranty. ضمانة لفترة غير محددة. Forever. Unlimited warranty. In this view, we can realize good result. So, managerial accounting take care of the value chain for providing product or service. We will take care in each step. In each step, the aim to improve productivity, also to improve equality, as you see. From this focus on the value chain, we have just-in-time inventory method. Just-in-time inventory method means system in which goods are manufactured or purchased just in time for sale. Here in the PDF, you must learn these things from the text. Very important. Managerial accounting. Today, discuss trends in managerial accounting, service industries, as you see. Focus on value chain. Unlimited warranties, as I said earlier. Just-in-time inventory method, which have significantly lowered inventory levels and cost for many companies, are one innovation that resulted from the focus on the value chain. Lowered inventory level and cost for many companies. So here's the point. Lowered cost, improve productivity, improve equality, improve control. So you must read the text for this methods. Also, total quality management. Balance score card. Business ethics. Corporate proper incentives. Code of fiscal standard. Corporate social responsibility. You must read these things from the text. Now, focus on value chain, as you see, using just-in-time inventory method, system in which goods are manufactured or purchased just in time for sale. There is no inventory. Total equality management. Total equality management. Reduce defects in finished goods with goal of zero defects. Total equality management. Reduce defects in finished products with aim goal of zero defects. Very interesting to reach zero defects. Each of these methods has complete chapter. Also, the array of constraints, bottlenecks, limit companies' potential profitability. عنق الزجاجة، تكدس، نقطة التكدس أو النقطة اللي فيها انخفاض انتاجية أو هي سبب تأخير. Constraints, bottlenecks, limit companies' potential profitability. A specific approach to identify and manage these constraints in order to achieve companies' goal. When we focus on the value chain, we determine where is the bottlenecks and do our best to manage these constraints, to solve these constraints, to avoid these constraints, to do our best to achieve our goals. Also, enterprise resource planning, which means there is software programs designated to manage all major business processes using computer, to use softwares by managers to facilitate taking decision and so on. Also, in focusing on value chain, there is a technical activity-based costing, ABC. As you see, this is one slide, but there is one chapter, complete chapter for activity-based costing. To realize our goals, to achieve our goals, we can use activity-based costing. This method to allocate overhead based on the use of activities. Here's the point. ABC for allocating overhead based on use of activities. This is very important to reach a correct costing system. Results in more accurate product costing and security of all activities in value chain. For ABC, we reach accurate product costing. Balanced scorecard. Also, another technique for applying managerial accounting tools today evaluates operations in an integrated fashion. Use both financial and non-financial measures. In balanced scorecard, we use financial and non-financial measures to evaluate the performance. Also links performance to overall company objectives. Also here there is a full chapter for balanced scorecards. Business ethics is very important. All employees are expected to act ethically. Many organizations have codes of business ethics. Here's a point. All the employees must do the best or the right things. Also, creating proper incentives. Systems and controls sometimes create incentives for managers to take an ethical action. We must avoid these things. Controls need to be effective and realistic. To create proper incentive. In business ethics, Code of Ethical Standards, Sarbanes-Oxley Act (SOX) clarifies management's responsibilities, requires certifications by Certified Executive Officer and Chief Financial Officer. Chief Executive Officer and Chief Financial Officer is responsible for the statements for everything. Chief Executive Officer, also Chief Financial Officer, is responsible for the correction, for the proper, for statements, financial statements, and everything. Selection criteria for Board of Directors and Audit Committee. Substantially increase penalties for misconduct. Increase penalties. Now, Chief Executive Officer and Chief Financial Officer may have increased penalties for misconduct to go jail for number of years. Corporate social responsibility considers companies' efforts to employ sustainable business practices, sometimes referred to as triple bottom line, because it evaluates companies' performance with regard to people, planet, and profit. To take care with people, also with planet, also with the profit. Corporate social responsibility to take care with three things: people, planet, and profit. Recent reports include that over 50% of the 500 largest US companies provide sustainability reports. Take care with social responsibility, environmental, and the people we do in it. Trends in managerial accounting, matching the descriptions that follow with corresponding terms. All activities associated with providing a product of or performing a service. Its value chain. So you need to know what's value chain mean. Value chain, all activities associated with providing a product or providing service. A method of allocating overhead based on each product's use of activities in making a product. Each ABC, activity-based system. Activity-based system. Systems employed to reduce defects in finished products with the goal of achieving zero defects. It's very important. So we must put this in our scheme total quality management. If all the students pass this course, we can achieve zero defects. Total quality management systems employed to reduce defects in finished products with the goal of achieving zero defects. A performance measurement approach that uses both financial and non-financial measurements tied to companies' objectives to evaluate companies' operations in an integrated fashion. Its balanced scorecard uses financial and non-financial measures to evaluate the performance. Inventory system in which goods are manufactured or purchased just as they are needed for use. It's just-in-time inventory. The inventory will be zero. There is no inventory. We reduce the cost when we apply just-in-time inventory system in which goods are manufactured or purchased just as they are needed for use. E. A company efforts to employ sustainable business practices with regards to its employees, society, and environment, its corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility, which means to take care with three things: employees, also society خدمة المجتمع and the environment الاهتمام بالبيئة. A company efforts to employ sustainable business practices with regard to its employees, take care with employees, society, and environment is called corporate social responsibility. The last one, a code of ethical standards developed by the Institute of Management Accounting. Statement of ethical performance practices. Now you must learn these things from the text, read the text, and do the exercises at the end of the chapter. There is a lot of exercises. Do your best from the beginning. Multiple choice questions, and here's the solution for these questions. Practice a brief exercise. You must solve these things, and here's the solution. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.